All right, everyone, welcome back. Finally get to make a video real quick. Hopefully today's topic's really short and sweet. We should already know functions, relations from 8th grade. I'm just going to briefly go over it. All you got to do today is just make sure you do. I think I put 3 of the possible 4 things on the choice board. You do want to do that. It's extra practice and it's a little more fun, a little entertaining to keep you busy. Please do the quiz. Quiz is always for a grade. And then do the discussion. Discussion is very important because I need to be able to see what you're thinking. I do read over everything. I have been impressed with a lot of things that y'all have posted. Okay, so to get this started with, a relation is basically 2 sets. In this case, I'm drawing a map where it has a set of numbers, 1, 2, 3, and let's say 4, 5, 6. And these numbers connect to each other in any sort of way. So it does not matter how many partners they have and all that good stuff. A function is a little different. Using a map because I like doing maps. A function has an input to one output. So I just said it. My input has only one output. It can only go directly to one person. In this case, I know I connected my 6 to 2 and 3, but 2 only has one partner and 3 only has one partner. It does not matter going backwards. So let's make sure we write this down. Input has only one output. Okay, later on we're going to end up finding out that our input is our X and our output is our Y, just for a heads up. And we should already know that our X in this case for functions, they should not be repeating. So let's go over that in the multiple representations. All right, real quick, let me just erase this. You can fast forward. Don't want to waste your time. Okay. Let's make a little definitions. Okay. So again, a relation, any sort of 2 sets. And let's make our function X must not repeat. And that's what we've been going over in your 8th grade year and this year in freshman. So let's talk about the different representations. Representations. First one is always a graph. I was extremely happy with the discussion that I saw from yesterday. So with the graph, let's say we have something like this. Let me use a different color. Let's say we have a nice, beautiful sideways parabola. Is that a function or not a function? A lot of us did a beautiful job saying, let's use, this is abbreviated, vertical line test. That was awesome. Awesome vocabulary. Vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line test, how many times did my red line touch my blue graph? If you said twice, boom. X is repeating. X must not repeat. So this is not a function. Not a function, but it is a relation because it doesn't matter. Everything's a relation. We just need to determine if it's a function or not. Okay, so this is not a function. Pretty set easily. I know hopefully through the practices you should get enough experience. If you need to do extra research, please do extra research. Okay, that was a graph. Next one, table or tables. This is very important. Tables are all over the star. Very important, very important. Drawing this as quick as I can. Okay, which one is not a function? Remember, we're looking at x must not repeat. So, give you a hint, we are looking at the x value, so only these numbers. Do any of these numbers repeat? No, so this is a function. Do any of these x's repeat? Yeah, we got 3 and 3, so this one is not a function. Very straightforward, like I said. I'm going fast because we should have learned this in 8th grade. This is baby stuff. If you need extra help, please come to tutoring hours. Tutoring hours on the main page. Click the link next to it. Please, please, if you get into the tutoring hours, just yell Mr. or just say Mr. Ramirez and I'll come to the computer. Usually I'm doing other stuff, but I am there all day. Okay, so we did graphs, tables. Let's do maps. Of course, like I said, this is my X, this is my Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each number from my output to my input to my output should only have one partner. If I see two partners, that makes it not a function. So make sure every time you look at your X values, there's only one. It must not repeat. Okay? To the next one, we have a little bit of space here. Ordered pairs. Sorry for my handwriting, but I'm saying it very distinctively, so if you need to rewind it, go ahead. Ordered pairs. Ordered pairs is a set of numbers in parentheses. Let's just do 3 here because I ran out of space. So we got 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Again, tell this every year to my kids. Make sure you know for your ordered set, it is X and Y. So we want to label everything real quick. Circle your X's, make sure they don't repeat. We got X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. Circle your X's. I got 1, 2, 3. Do any of those numbers repeat? Nope. So this is a function. Great stuff, ladies and gentlemen. That's a review. 2 days of it just to get it back in our brains. If you need extra help, please come to tutoring hours. For Friday, we're going to start going over evaluating functions. So if you want to get a head start, since you watched this beautiful video, you can Google evaluating functions if you want to be an all-star and get ahead. Other than that, take your quiz. Make sure you log on every day. It's going to be an issue if you guys don't log on every day. Make sure you need to get credit. This is serious, guys. Make sure you do your work so you can get credit. If you don't get credit, you don't graduate. If you don't graduate, you're stuck in high school. Please take care of business. Thank you.